How to add controller to Brawlhalla. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can customize the controls. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right top, you can see the settings icon. Tap on the settings icon. Here, you'll be able to see the option called edit controls. Tap on edit controls. Now you can tap on adjust controls directly from this option. So these are the controls that are custom or default. Now you can even reset it or customize it accordingly. So you can move these objects from wherever you want to place them. Now at last, tap on the save button on the top and you can tap on exit. So you must go back and leave the match, and the same controls will be available in your game. So this is the quick and easy way to change controls. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.